stabbed myself right there with the flat blade screwdriver. That was fun. And then I slit my hand open on a can trim that's made of metal. So it's feeling better now, but I mean, it's just a big paper cut basically. And then I got another one on the back of my thumb. I think, is it this thumb? Yeah, it's this thumb right here. So got another one doing something else. Like I was grabbing the ladder and then it just slit my finger open for no reason. So anyways, just a day full of triggeredness. So that's the end of the video basically. I worked in the bathrooms a lot and the closet, but as you can see they were carpeting, so I couldn't show you that at the end of the day. What I also wanted to say was I hung an exit sign. Actually, I didn't include that in the video because I missed it. I just hung a exit sign a type of exit sign I've never done before. Basically like a clear plastic LED. Looks pretty cool. Also, trying to remember, at the beginning of the day we did occupancy sensors for the lights, and then probably missing something else, so if it's in the video then you already saw it. But got a comment the other day that triggered me really hard. Most comments I try to ignore if they're negative, but every once in a while they get to me, so call it what you want, I don't care. Basically, actually I think it was yesterday, but the person was saying, anyways, they were just saying stuff that wasn't true basically, and they didn't know what they were doing. So my homeboy Darren, and so anyways I was triggered by it. So if you really upset me, just know that you will be blocked from leaving comments on my channel, just because I don't have time for that negativity in my life. 99% of you guys are amazing. Thank you for the support, honestly. I love waking up to your comments and reading them, so thank you so much for that. I will see you guys later. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll try to work on some videos this weekend because during the week I'm usually not free, so it's usually Saturday night, Sunday, or Monday if I'm going to be working on extracurricular videos outside of work. So I will try to get to those. I just need to find the motivation, but I can't wait to do them. So we'll see you guys later. Peace out. Okay, I just remembered one thing. One of the videos I was showing the can lights. I was putting in the can trims, but you can't see that because the ones that I showed you weren't done. Basically, if you know what a can light looks like, you know what the can trims are. Basically, they either have springs that hold the can trim to the ceiling, or they have screws that screw to the light inside the fixture. Anyways, the ones I was doing were the screw-in kind, which is how I cut my hand open, because I was trying to twist it and it was made out of metal and it was like a razor blade. So anyways, I was doing that for a while. I totally forgot where I was going with this point. Alright, it took me a minute, but I just remembered. I was trying to say that this has been one of the most annoying days in like several months. I don't know if I just woke up in a bad mood, maybe from that comment, maybe just the fact that something else, but a lot of things were just bothering me. Just fighting with the can trims was a big one. I was also doing vanities. Those weren't really bad, but just seems like everything was causing me a little bit of havoc today, so just struggling with a lot of things. So anyways, hopefully tomorrow's better. Looking forward to it. So gonna finish some plugs tomorrow, finish the exit signs, put up some more can trims and stuff like that. So as apart from that, someone else did finish the pipe that I was running the other day. So they actually avoided the 2 3-point saddles. So dude's a genius, 200 IQ or something. I don't even know what IQ that is. That's probably pretty good. So anyways, yeah, so I'm pretty sure he basically finished the pipe run down the wall, so I don't have to worry about that. But just because I haven't done a 3-point saddle in my career doesn't mean anything to me. So just because I haven't done it doesn't mean I'm a terrible electrician, although it might indicate that I might need to practice that. But if you're making fun of me because I haven't done something in my career, well then you just suck. So anyways, I will see you guys later. I think that covers everything I wanted to say. I will see you guys tomorrow. Let me know if you guys want me to switch it up. I need to take a left here. Let me know if you guys want me to switch it up, if you're tired of these work videos, if you want me to talk about some more stuff at home. Let me know if you, maybe both. So if you want some work stuff and some talking stuff, or if you just want some talking stuff or some tool reviews or how to use certain tools. If you got any questions, leave them below. I know there's some video ideas that you guys left before, so if you guys want me to make a video about that, leave another comment saying what you want exactly, because I know I asked for some stuff before, but then I got another job, so I didn't really need to use those, but I do have them saved on my phone. So if you guys want me to make a certain video, drop it below and I will get to it as best as possible. Alright guys, thank you so much, I appreciate it. See you tomorrow. Okay, I think I lied. Last thing, don't forget to like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you are new. I appreciate all the new subscribers. I hope I get to meet you guys all soon in the comments below. Giveaway at 1,000 subscribers for electrical tools. Also shaving my beard at 1,000 subscribers. And if you want me to get a haircut, it's looking pretty bad, but we're gonna have to get to 4,000 subs to consider that haircut, because I want to grow my hair out, so that should give me at least a year or two. So unless you guys really go ham, you're gonna be seeing some longer hair, so don't care. All right guys, that should do it. Goodbye. Okay, actually one more thing. If you ever go online, electrical forums or like Reddit electrical stuff, or just talk to anyone at work or sometime, I don't know. Anyways, the main point is there is a lot of debate in the electrical world, whether through the code book or just like everyone thinks they know everything. So just a heads up, most of the time it doesn't get to me. Sometimes it does get to me every once in a while, maybe like today. So just a heads up that sometimes it can be a really nasty place or a negative place, or just a big debate like online. Like everything is a debate online. If you go, it's usually pretty embarrassing to say that you're an electrician if you go online sometimes and look at some of the stuff people say, or just criticize other people. So anyways, just a heads up, but usually not a big deal if you don't let it get to you, but that's all I wanted to say. All right, this video is done. I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna upload it, we're gonna be good. See you later. That's a lot of goodbyes.